So today we have macaroni, chicken, cabbage, and a roll. Thumbnail. New setup, you know. I think I'm about one of them trays that you eat on and do it like that. Mm. Y'all know we got to have our hot sauce. Um, this is a daiquiri I made about 15 minutes ago. So it's melting. We got to be careful eating on a pink bed. But I told you I don't like the kitchen setup and the lighting. So I'm just trying different stuff out. I know I ain't gonna be always eating on my pink cover, you know. Y'all, it's so good. I think this is my first meal of the day. I had a smoothie that my sister made for breakfast. And this is lunch, which mean I ain't cooking no meal for dinner. Might do a bowl of cereal tonight, so you never know. The corona time actually been having me feeling more lazy. I'm at home all day. I just found $10 in my thing that I forgot I had put it in. I need to put that in my closet so I can forget it's in there. And keep going. I could be trying to throw a little money in places. Like cash, so when I need it. I'm like, ooh. I always go into the bank at the algorithm. And if it's in my wallet, I'm gonna spend it. It's in my thing with my change because I be trying to save. I be trying. It's so hard. I'll say like 60% of my check is bills. Yeah, I did this. But I got a table right here, but it's too short. It's a house table. I'm gonna have to. And I don't want to get these on my covers. I just squashed them. Plus, if I do the room thing, my foot. If I do the room thing, I don't want y'all to get to expecting me to change my covers every 2 weeks and no craziness like that. I know I barely. I like to touch this bone, so with that getting in my mouth, that was gross. See, my sister just pick her chicken because she don't like the bone either. I just try to bite where I ain't touching the bone because it is gross. It puts you in the mind of what you're really eating. And that's what I was thinking earlier. I mean, no. I don't know if y'all saw how good that chicken looked. But the cabbage is busting. We was out of elbow macaroni. I couldn't think of the name of the noodle for this macaroni, but it's the little spin one, rotini or something like that. Oh! And this is my leg. Everything is getting cold. Well, my macaroni, mainly. You know, you want that hot. Yeah, that's what I move. I'm gonna be to get one of them little table things, set it up like that, have a carpet down, and just in case I drop anything. And I'll be eating in my room. Because I really don't eat in my room because I'm a mess. So I try to eat at the kitchen table or anywhere that I think I won't destroy nothing. Let me know if y'all think this is not a good setup or what. Shit. Shoot, this how y'all eat when y'all at home shooting anyway. This how I eat when I ain't on YouTube. So this plate a little heavier. Maybe if I just had a regular circle plate. I be trying not to just pull out the paper plate. I be trying to give y'all a little something to look at. I'm getting full. I've been working at 7 almost every day. 8 to 7. I'm gonna run that overtime up. I want it all. Money in the car. Cars and the clothes. Oh. I really hate that we can't sing on here. When my video's trying to do what I want to, and they be like, check, 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 here. All them checks gonna be zeroed out. I done send a song, but Almost every video. But if this is your first time watching my video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So, I don't know if any of y'all are any of y'all eligible to work at home, or what is everybody doing during this time? I do want to give my condolence to anybody that may have lost a family member during this time, because you know, whether or not I think it's as big as what it is, I have seen a few people that I know post that they lost someone due to the coronavirus. So if that is the case, I would like to go ahead and take the time out to give my condolences for those people that's losing family members at this time. Only thing is, I think the disease is man-made, so it sucks that it's man-made and we losing people over something that was made by humans. But like Dr. Sebi said, the only disease and stuff that's in your body is mucus. The only thing you have is mucus. So everything else come from the foods that we eat that we're not supposed to be eating. Toothpaste, water, all different type of stuff that got so many different type of chemicals in it. And I'm just got to get better at fasting. That's one thing I want to work on. Every month, I at least want to do a 3-day fast where it's no food going into my body. If it's food going into my body, it'll be raw vegetables. And oh, and when I moved my video to my when I moved my phone to my ring light, it took my recording off. So I was sitting here talking to myself. So basically, I was saying I took down my tripod, because the beginning of this video, y'all, when y'all saw the angles all different types of ways, I hate when my hair hit on my lashes. It always lay them down. But I was using this tripod. This is what it was just on, and I was having a little technical difficulties. So, you know, I was saying I got this on Amazon for $20, and you can put it at different lengths. When I was using this on the table to record my videos, I was just using it short, and it was about this height, because I ain't need it very, very long or nothing like that. So, yeah, whatever. But I'm just trying to basically, since we moved and stuff is different, trying to figure out what I'm finna do and how I'm finna do it, because when things is too complicated for me, that's when I normally get too frustrated and don't want to do nothing. That's why I went a week without doing videos and stuff like that, because I have to try to process it in my mind. But I just had to tell myself, hey, you got to get up, you have to get it. Pretty soon it's gonna be time to go back to work, and I know that's not where I'm really trying to go. So I gotta do what I gotta do now so I can be where I want to be. And yeah, I like my job and whatever, but everybody have goals and things and such like that. So just because you like a company and it's a good job and things like that, if it's not your dreams and something that's going to make you happy, you have to still pursue what you want to do and what's going to make you happy, because at the end of the day, your happiness is all that matters. And that's what I'm learning in life, because I always kind of been a people pleaser, and where now I just really don't. If it ain't about Regia or affecting Regia, I don't care. I just go by my business. Stuff that used to affect me don't really bother me no more. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or whatever. I'll just keep it pushing. But that's life, though. That's a lot of growth. My daiquiri is all the way melted. All the way. But I just want to get everything together. Figure it out. Keep it pushing. Shoot, I got a video that I'm editing today to post. That video was done when I was living in the old house. It was done like 3 or 4 weeks ago. So I still have videos that I haven't posted yet. I still have stuff in my phone that I need to get on because I was at one point ahead of the game and I had so many videos, and I still got like 3 or 4 videos that I haven't posted. So that's good that I'm ahead of the game. So like when I took that week off, I still had videos, but I took that week off and was not posting at all. I wasn't even editing what I had. I didn't make no videos. I didn't post no videos. I didn't do nothing. I just wasn't feeling it. It was just too much. My brain, I'm an overthinker, and I think my problems and stuff to myself. The best way to be, to myself. Because sometimes, you know, when you express or try to say little stuff, let people know what's going on, when people don't give, you know, so how's this, da da da, or ask questions or to see how you going, I just keep it to myself. Because I'm the only one that always handle my own problems, so I might as well deal with it with myself. But so much is to come. I just gotta figure it all out, write it down. Like I keep telling y'all, I know I'm gonna change the way I'm doing my videos and stuff like that. I just gotta figure that out. I gotta, basically everything is basically at this point just figuring it out, taking time to sit down and think, which I barely have time to do. We still trying to get this house together from when we first moved and get stuff put up and things like that. We really ain't got much to do. It's a lot that's already done quick. Sometimes it take people 3 to 4 months to get all their stuff together. We really barely brought anything here. We just gonna order our furniture probably next week, and then when the furniture come, we can hang up pictures and figure out what stuff, you know, where stuff can go. So that's basically where we at. We have our rooms and stuff like that. Everybody worried about their own room. I mean, my closet not done. Her closet is done. My closet looks a mess. I have to do my closet. I really need to put some stuff under my bathroom sink and have less items on my bathroom sink. I mean, I only got like 5 or 6 items on my bathroom sink, but I just really want, I don't know, like 3 items on there. My makeup stuff can be under the sink. I can leave my face soap on there. Just like 3 or 4 items only need to be on my sink. So I don't want my ashtray and my lighter and my water. And no, I don't smoke cigarettes, okay? But I do smoke a cigar every now and then too. Oh my god, y'all. This is how you gotta drink this. You gotta drink it while it's frozen. I made it with real blackberries, and now that it's melting, all the seeds from the blackberries, and I made it with real blackberries and strawberries. So if I'm drinking from the bottom, I ain't gonna get nothing. But seeds in my mouth, there's so many seeds still in my mouth. But I'm gonna get ready to edit this other video that I gotta post today. So, I told you I had pretty teeth. See me a little closer, Let me stop for mom and be like, what you doing? What you doing? And this is the end of my video. And I'm finna go. And I'm at the door. And your mom and your mom and your mom what? And your mom and your mom and your... I'm up in your face. Personal. What's up? But this is the end of my video, and I'm finna go. And your mom and your mom and your mom what? And your mom and your mom. Okay, this meal talk, huh? We ain't talking about that, huh?